Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Biology MCQ series of NEET Buddy, where we are providing you with daily biology MCQs from one of the chapters of class 11th or class 12th NCERT Biology, and the topic for today's MCQs is what you're seeing on screen. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Air sacs of lungs are composed of option A. Squamous epithelium, option B. Cuboidal epithelium, option C. Columnar epithelium, option D. Compound epithelium. Air sacs of lungs are composed of. The correct answer is option A, that is squamous epithelium. Question 2. Microvilli is seen in option A. Squamous epithelium, option B. Columnar epithelium, option C. Compound epithelium, or option D. Glandular epithelium. Microvilli is seen in. The correct answer is option B. Columnar epithelium. Microvilli can be seen in two types of epithelium, that is compound epithelium and columnar epithelium. And what are microvilli? These are finger-like projections that are found on the surface of these cells. Question 3. Epithelium lining gut of glands and tubules of nephrons is option A. Squamous epithelium, option B. Columnar epithelium, option C. Cuboidal epithelium, or option D. Glandular epithelium. Epithelium lining the ducts of glands and tubules of nephrons is. The correct answer is option C. Cuboidal epithelium. Question number 4. Achondroplasia is a disease related with the defect in formation of membrane, mucosa, bone, cartilage. Achondroplasia. Correct answer is option D, that is cartilage. Question 5. Epithelium lining the ducts of salivary gland is option A. Compound epithelium, option B. Glandular epithelium, option C. Squamous epithelium, option D. Ciliated epithelium. Epithelium lining the ducts of salivary glands is. The correct answer is option A, that is compound epithelium. Question number 6. The supportive skeletal structure in the human external ears and in the nose strip are example of areolar tissue, bone, cartilage, or ligament. Correct answer is option C, that is cartilage. Question 7. Which of the following is not an example of specialized connective tissue? Which of the following is not an example of specialized connective tissue? Option A, tendon. Option B, bone. Option C, cartilage. Option D, blood. Of the four options, which one of these is not an example of specialized connective tissue? The correct answer is option A, tendon. Tendon is a dense connective tissue. It is not a specialized connective tissue, whereas bone, cartilage, blood are specialized connective tissues. Question 8. Mark the wrong statement about tendon. Option A. Tendon is a dense connective tissue. Option B. It connects muscle to bone. Option C. It connects bone to bone. Or option D. It is a dense regular tissue. Mark the wrong statement about tendon. The correct answer is option C, that is it connects bone to bone. This statement is wrong. Bone to bone is connected by ligaments, right? So tendon connects bone to muscle. Statement C is wrong. Question 9. Tergites and sternites are joined together in cockroach by option A. Arthrodial membrane, option B. Cartilage, option D. Spiracles, or option C. Bone. Tergites and sternites are joined together in cockroach by. The correct answer is option A. Arthrodial membrane. Question number 11. Excretory system of cockroach is made of malphizian tubules, kidney, flame cells, liver. Excretory system of cockroach is made of. The correct answer is option A, malphizian tubules. Question number 12. Which of the following epithelium have the function of secretion and absorption in intestine? Squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, or glandular epithelium? Epithelium that has the function of secretion and absorption in intestine. The correct answer is option B, that is columnar epithelium. Question number 13. Adipose tissue is an example of loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, specialized connective tissue, or it is not a connective tissue. Adipose tissue is an example of. The correct answer is option A, loose connective tissue. Question number 14. Cartilage is formed of osteoblast, fibroblast, chondrocyte, osteocyte. Cartilage is formed of. The correct answer is option C, chondrocytes. Question number 15. Yellow bone marrow is found specially in medullary cavity of long bones, spongy bones, short bones, or all the above. Yellow bone marrow is found specially in the medullary cavity of. The correct answer is option A, long bones. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next chapter of class 11th NCERT biology. Do read that chapter up, and if you found this helpful, do share it with your friends as well. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.